G'day guys, Alex Ryan here, welcome back. And I'm looking out on the beach over there. There's quite a few people out there in the surf today. Some of these people have about 500 bucks in their bank account. And just think about that for a second. They're on the beach, they're chilling out, they're doing what they do best, relaxing, right? But they're in dire straits. And in fact, a lot of Australians are in dire straits these days where they don't have any money in the bank account, yet they're frolicking around, booking holidays on P&O and jumping in the ocean and surfing, right? And is that really the smartest thing to do? And the answer is no. Like, you have to really get your money right. You have to organize, like, do something, right? You got to get your cash flow right. You got to have that coming in, right? And then you can go to the beach. Whereas most people don't really have a very strong work ethic. So I'm not saying that's you. I'm just saying it's a lot of Australians, right, who just don't have the work ethic. They haven't got their money sorted. So, you know, when you start making money, then it's a thing. You can go down the beach, and if you're working down the beach, then that's one thing altogether. But, you know, to be honest, most people aren't. They're there, they're relaxing, they're chilling out, and they're going to work on Monday, and then they on Friday they have the thank God it's Friday sort of scenario going through their head. They drink themselves over the weekend, and they don't really further themselves in life. Nothing actually changes. So guys, don't be that person. Work on yourself. Every day, inch yourself a little bit closer to your goals. Start working on your online business. Start looking at Amazon. Start figuring out exactly what product you want to jump into. What product are you going to sell? Right? These are the things you've got to think about. You know, jump on Alibaba. Look at some of the prices of the products. But guys, get yourself sorted in terms of your money. Get your money right so you can focus. So when you get money right and you've got money coming in, then you can go to the beach and relax and go on holidays to Tahiti and drink pina coladas in the Bahamas, all right? Then you can relax. But until then, really, this beach belongs to people that are actually doing well and actually making money. So have an awesome day, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. If you are looking to start an Amazon business or get something up and running fast, connect with me. I've got a free webinar on my website. Check it out. And I've got a whole bunch of free videos there as well. But let's get something started this year, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. Have an awesome day, and to your Amazon success. Bye-bye.